The Johannesburg High Court on Friday found that allegations made by businessman Mthunzi Mdwaba against ANC Secretary-General Fikile Mbalula were defamatory and false. The court found Mdwaba liable to pay damages to Mbalula on the eve of the national and provincial elections. Mdwaba alleged that Mbalula, along with other government ministers, solicited a 500 million rand bribe from him. Our reporter Juniour Khumalo spoke to Mbalula in Cape Town a day after the judgment.
In the lead up to the 2024 elections, there were outrageous allegations that were made by one Mthunzi Mdwaba of Juniour Holdings against some cabinet ministers, saying that they had approached him and tried to solicit a bribe. He also indicated that the SG of the ANC, the Secretary General of the ANC, was part of those individuals. But the High Court in Johannesburg has since come out with a verdict saying that these allegations were actually defamatory. Joining me right now is the SG of the ANC. Thank you so much, sir, for joining you. The allegations that were made, it was leading up to a hotly contested election. How did they affect the ANC in those elections?
Well, you see, under normal circumstances, you would have left that and say this is a lie, and you issue a statement and then it's buried. And everybody forget about it, but it remains in the minds of people. It handicap and affect me doing my work as the Secretary General, because people insinuate and make, a derogatory assessment about me, that I go around at Luthuli House calling people and asking 10% from them. I don't do that. Yeah. I mean, I try and to the best of my ability to execute my task with integrity. If there is wrongdoing, no doubt, must be investigated, must be reported, but let's deal with facts. So I've got nothing against Mthunzi. He has failed to come to court with the evidence that I did something wrong, and that's why the judgment.
Okay. And in terms of the costs that he's supposed to pay, is it just the legal cost, or there's also defamatory cost that he has to pay?
Yeah, there's defamatory cost, but we are also going to go before the trial judge. We're going to up the ante there. Yeah, and we don't need that money for ourselves. We'll give it to charity. But he must answer.
That is the ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula saying that those allegations that were made by Mthunzi Mdwaba were actually defamatory to him, but also affected his work as the Secretary General of the ANC. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Juniour Khumalo at the ANC's provincial office in Cape Town.